Hi, I'm Justin Conway. I'm a Microsoft Excel expert, and I'm going to walk you through the steps to recovering lost data in Microsoft Excel. So first, let's take some information that's located in our Excel sheet. Let's say we have these averages here, and we accidentally delete this one, and then somehow manage to delete this one accidentally, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one. So we're like, whoops, wait a second, where did that information go? The easiest thing to do is hit Command Z or Control Z, and that will just pop in. That's the undo function. It will just pop the information back in. The other way to do this is to, let's delete them again, I'll show you, is to go to Edit, Undo. And you'll see them slowly pop in. Every time you hit undo, it'll go back. Now, if the undo function doesn't work, because it can only restore a certain amount of data. If you've been working for a few hours, the undo function can't undo everything that you've done. Then your other option is to look into the restore file. If you have auto restore or auto recovery enabled in Microsoft Excel, then you should be able to pull the recovery file. And to do that, you're going to go to, I have that all ready to go over here. You're going to go to your Documents, then you're going to go to Microsoft User Data, Office 2011 Auto Recovery, and the file will be in this area here. And you may have lots of files listed with all different dates and times, and you can go back to the file that you think would have the information that you're looking for, according to the time where you think you maybe started going off. And that's how to recover information in Microsoft Excel. I'm Justin Conway. Enjoy.